I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Google Pay to Cash App without hitting dead-end menus from discontinued applications or losing access to your digital wallet balance. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Google Pay radically overhauled its structural layout by deprecating its standalone US application, migrating all active balance management completely into the Google Wallet app and integrated account hubs. Because Google's server architecture does not share a native, direct peer-to-peer transaction button with Cash App, you must ensure the identical legal name and address in your Google payment profile settings perfectly match the information on file with your Cash App account before attempting a bridge. If you try to bypass this profile matching step with mismatched metadata, the automated anti-fraud security tracking filters will flag the transaction database as a risk, reject the registration, and place a temporary fraud hold on your funds. To begin, open Cash App and select the Card tab on the bottom menu. Tap the card image to copy your 16-digit virtual or physical cash card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Now, open the Google Wallet app on your device, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and select your active Google Pay balance layout. Tap the Transfer Out button, followed by the exact amount you want to move from your digital wallet, and select Add a Payment Method. Paste those 16-digit cash card details directly into the secure billing fields to link your credentials manually. Choose the Instant Transfer option to push your Google funds directly into your Cash App account ledger within minutes for a minor network transaction fee. Alternatively, if you want to create a saved, reusable link for future transfers, go to the Cash App Money tab to extract your unique 9-digit routing code and checking account number. Head back to your Google Payment Methods hub and input those specific Cash App banking strings. Select the standard timeline and tap Transfer Out to authorize a fee-free clearing process that updates your balance within 1 to 3 business days. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.